working on the calf muscles and back of the knees, the palm on the lumbar, a twist. Raise the tailbone, shift up without pressing the heel. First, Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat, Hari Om Tat Sat. तो आज का इंटेंशन क्या है क्लास का? हॉलिस्टिक अप्रोच सीखना है. हॉलिस्टिक अप्रोच में क्या 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 आएगा? बॉडी का जो अलाइनमेंट है उसी अलाइनमेंट से आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. बॉडी में फ्रंट पार्ट है और बैक. फ्रंट में क्या है? एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स है, यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है और बेस ऑफ द बॉडी तक जाता है. पीछे क्या है? स्पाइन में चक्रास. चक्रास आर लोकेटेड एट द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. क्लियर? तो जितने ट्विस्ट आप करते हैं, एक्सटेंशन करते हैं, सब चक्रा. चक्रा क्या है? एनर्जी का सेंटर है. जहाँ पे एनर्जी है उसको स्टिमुलेट कीजिएगा तो जहाँ पे दुख है वहाँ पे हीलिंग हो जाएगी. क्लियर? तीसरा क्या है? लैटरल बॉडी. लैटरल बॉडी को यदि आप स्ट्रेच नहीं करते हैं तो स्पाइन फ्री नहीं होता है. चौथा क्या है? लोअर पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी है. लोअर पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी पैर में जैसे जड़ होता है वो जड़ है, तो जड़ नीचे जाता है. नेक्स्ट शूट है अपर पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. अपर पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी हमेशा ही ऊपर जाएगा, चाहे वो फॉरवर्ड फोल्ड. फॉरवर्ड फोल्ड में भी आगे जाएगा. क्लियर? नीचे में भी यदि नीचे जा रहा है तो ऊपर जाते हुए नीचे जा रहा है. अब आता है ट्विस्ट. कोर के जो मसल्स हैं उसको हम ट्विस्ट से करते हैं. फिर आता है प्रोन पोजीशन, सुपाइन पोजीशन, इन्वर्टेड पोजीशन. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्वर्जन्स इसीलिए होता है क्योंकि जो एनर्जी नीचे जा रही है और जो एनर्जी ऊपर जा रही है उस दोनों का डायरेक्शन हम चेंज करते हैं. जो एनर्जी ऊपर जा रही है उसको हम बोलते हैं नीचे जाओ, और जो एनर्जी नीचे जा रही है उसको बोलते हैं ऊपर जाओ. और ये एक पॉइंट पे जाके मिलती है जिसको हम बोलते हैं मणिपुरा चक्रा. उसी पॉइंट पे जब मिलेंगे तभी अंदर की जितनी प्रॉब्लम है वो निकलती है. इसीलिए जब आप आसनास करेंगे तो आप देखेंगे ग्लूट मसल्स को एंगेज रखिएगा ताकि एनर्जी नीचे निकल ना जाए, वो ऊपर जाए, और ऊपर की एनर्जी नीचे ग्राउंड. समझ आ गया? इसके पीछे पूरा साइंस है. वो साइंस आपको यदि पढ़ने का मौका मिले तो मुझे बताइएगा, मैं बता दूंगी. स्टार्टिंग विथ holistic approach of chair sequence, you are going into Parvatasana. Placing your both the palms to the side of the chair and walk back, keeping your both the legs chair distance wide apart. Raising the tailbone, keeping your head up. Press the heels, calf muscles engaged. The calf muscles are going down, hamstring is going up. Calf muscles are going down with the heels pressing down. At the same time, the hamstring is working against the calf muscles, that's why it is going upward. Experience the direction of energy which is moving in two opposite directions. Pull the hamstring up and press the calf muscles down, and divide the energy at the junctions of knee, back of the knees. Now raise your heels up. Maintain the position. Raising your heels and maintain the position. Take the root of your palm and release the fingers from the chair. Press the root of the palm and release your both hands' palms. Spread the fingers, keep engaging. Chin up. Engage the spinal cord. 10, 9, 8, 7. Tailbone is up. You are moving the tailbone up. Raise your heels nicely on the toes. Active, don't shift the body weight forward, please. Shift the weight back. 5, 4, 3, 2, heels are up. Heels are up. And 1. On the toes, sitting in Malasana. On the toes, sitting in Malasana. Class, what you are not doing it? You are not doing this. The moment you don't raise your heels, the energy of the lumbar does not go up, and then you change the direction of the asana. So you are changing the benefit of the asana as well. So what I wanted you to do it, raise the heels first and shift the weight back, not forward. You are sitting in Malasana on the toes. So shift the weight back. You are sitting in Malasana on the toes. Work on the toes, the most important area of the root. See, I am using only index and middle finger. Entire body is working with the distribution of energy. Keep raising your heels. And now from here, shift the weight up. Hold the chair, shift the weight forward, coming into Dandasana position. In Dandasana, press the palm, pressing the palm, raising the shoulder blade up. And move the shoulder blade apart. Do not allow the navel to sink down. Keep your navel slightly higher. Close the contraction of the stomach. No. No. You are not doing this. You are moving up. Press the hands. Separate the shoulder blade apart. Shoulder and wrist in one straight line. 5. Engage your core muscles. Samana. Vayu at your stomach has to be contracted. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now shift the weight forward. Shoulders away from the ears, so you are not doing this. Control the weight and lift it up. Now Mooladhara, engaged. Engage the glute muscles tightly. Move the shoulders away from the ears. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, Parvatasana, raise the heels, raise your heels, shift back. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha. Step forward with right foot in the center of the chair. Press the palm. So don't hold it like this. The moment you hold like this, yeah, the energy goes downward. Our energy has to go up now. So press it and lift the chest up. Use this as a floor. 1. Pressing the left leg back. Working on the calf muscles and back of the knees. Pressing the root of the palm, root of your palm. When you press the root of the palm, who works? When you flex your palm, who works? When you flex your foot, what works? The back of your leg. When you flex, then the hamstring and calf muscles work. So when you are flexing your arms, which is behind, back of the hand is working. From here, left palm in the center, press the left palm, Press the left palm, hold it here. 1. Now right palm on the right waist, roll the right shoulder, twist nicely. Keep moving the right palm towards the lumbar. Roll the right shoulder, complete twist. Ekam, squeeze the navel, keep rolling the shoulder. Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shat, Sapta. Inhaling. Exhale. Shift the right foot back and shift the left foot back, coming into Dandasana position. Strong hands. Drishti between the hands. 1. Strong legs. 2. 3. Keep this straight. 4. Slightly down. 5. 6. Move, walk back 1 step. 6. 7. Raise the tailbone, shift up without pressing the heel. First shift up, up, up. Now press the heels. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left foot step forward. If you want to take your right foot slightly forward, do that. Hip is square, lift the chest up. Press the root of the palm and remove your fingers. 1. And press your left foot, big toe, and raise all the toes. So shift the weight, inner foot. Back leg is strong, do not loosen it. 2. Shifting the weight back and up. 3, 4, 5. Right palm in the center. Press it first. Take your left hand up, press the right palm nicely. Then from here, roll the shoulder to take your left palm on the waist and slightly keep away the palm on the lumbar. A twist. Ekam. Dve. Keep the right shoulder away from the ears. Trini. Chatvari. Shat. And Sapta.